Filters help you quickly slice through your content. Especially if you have hundreds or even thousands of posts, filters are the best place to uncover optimization opportunities, highlight patterns, find and maintain your high-value content while taking strategic action towards growth. Click Filters to see all the options. You can stack and combine filters to surface specific insights. For example, find your top posts and check if they have broken images. These are your most valuable pieces. You don't want them to have any errors. Another example, you could filter for a WordPress category like holiday with a certain amount of traffic. This could be great for finding ideas for your next content. Another example, look for all posts with 0 internal links and more than 500 sessions in the last year. You can uncover orphaned content that could benefit from new interlinking. But if you want a faster way to filter your content using natural language, you can use Super Search. Click the button or press the backslash on your keyboard. Use the prompts, or you can just start typing and Super Search will intelligently suggest options. You can search for things like posts from this week with broken links by most sessions, or top posts from any August. Since the Super Search automatically changes the filters and columns, you can easily reset the columns from the dropdown. Now that we know how to sort through our content and some of the things that we can look for, let's go ahead and apply labels.